This sovereign citizen refused to exit the vehicle, so police forced him out.
What's up?
What's up?
Same thing as last time. I made contact with him already, and he only had it down like this much. I was like, hey, is this the same thing as last time? Like, did we not get our stuff fixed? He's like, nope, I'm traveling. I don't have to provide you anything, and then rolled the window up. And I was like, all right, I'll just wait for somebody else to show up.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
already wrote a letter to the sheriff threatening to sue him and stuff for not taking everything down on social media, etc. So I'm sure he'll be a bigger problem this time.
Yeah, I'm guessing this is their house. So, and of course, I'm on my way home, and I'm like, please don't be him. And I was like, sure enough, it's going to be him.
Especially because he knows what's going to be the end result here.
Yeah.
Got.
Same thing as last time.
Try talking to him?
Yeah, he did the whole, I'm not driving, I'm traveling, it's my constitutional right, I don't have to provide you any license or ID or anything like that, and roll the window back in.
Is he a douche about it?
He's not yelling, he's not swearing, he's just adamant that it's his right to travel.
I kind of want to go up there and learn more about his right to travel.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for 90 because he's supposed to have a 0 with him.
Yeah, that's why I backed you guys up.
Yeah.
I'm like,
And AJ's coming just to get his. I'm much rather have the
You guys
wife.
didn't impound his car when you arrested him?
I was on a stop. I was working that day, I was on the stop.
That's
But it would probably be a lot easier if the wife told him, like, hey, go ahead and step out.
He lives right here?
Yeah. Or at least that's what I think, because his family came out as soon as, like, the stop happened. And they were recording.
Which sect did he say he's part of? Did he say he was sect of the, was it the Mormon one?
I didn't even go that far with him. Because he literally rolled down the window this much, and I couldn't see inside, and I was like, all right, I don't have my camera yet, so I'm waiting for people with cameras. So, like,
I'm surprised he got his car already.
that's what I thought, too. And that he got another tag.
No, was it the tag that he had?
No, because they confiscated the tag as
They
evidence.
took it?
Yeah, as evidence.
Was that like a paper tag or something?
No, it was a metal tag last time.
Really? Private. Man, it's a nice truck to be doing this
Yeah,
type
it's
of
really
stuff.
nice stuff. And at least from what I saw last time, is he had registration, he just decided not to update it.
Are you kidding me?
He's doing all this, like, for what? Like, $40 a year?
It's not even worth it. This whole hassle. Typical, like, sovereign citizen.
He didn't find himself to you? He did?
Yeah. Hey, I'm traveling. I don't need a tag. I asked him for his driver's license. I don't need to identify myself.
Right.
It's my
Who's
right to
going to be
travel.
primary on it? I know you're going home.
I don't care. I'll still take it. I was just waiting for resources.
Oh, yeah, 100%. 100%. Tell me he's under arrest about the car. If he doesn't, we'll break the window if we fucking have to.
So I just told last Sunday said that he had a 0 with him. So.
Yeah.
And then his family's right here. Yeah.
All right. We don't have a. You've already identified him as a person, right? He has no license. Okay. So we're gonna tell him he's under arrest. Step out. If he doesn't, we'll break a window, yank him out.
Got it.
We're not here to play games.
What's his first name?
Hey, what's going on?
How's it going, boss man? I need you to step out of the vehicle. Okay.
Why would I step out of the field?
Because right now you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what? You see this?
Okay. So you're refusing to step out of the vehicle?
Why am I stepping out of the field?
Because you're placing you under arrest. You're traveling. Okay.
I'm not committing a crime.
Okay. You mind just stepping out of the vehicle then? If not, we're trying to avoid this whole ordeal right now, bro.
Why are you bothering me? I have the right to travel.
I understand that, my man, but if you're refusing to step out of the vehicle after we told you, we're going to have to break the window.
Private automobile.
Okay.
I'm traveling on the
Gotcha.
constitutional protection.
So you're not going to step out for us?
Why would I haven't done nothing. I haven't committed a
You're
crime.
not. Well, you're committing one right now. You're not going to step out for us.
There's no crime committed.
Okay. So you're not going to step out for us is what you're trying to get
There's
at.
no crime committed.
Okay. Well,
Good.
We're not for playing games.
Right? Step out.
Got it. Well, he did it himself.
Step out.
Watch it. Just in case. Just in case. Watch it. There you go.
Step out. Look what this man just did. Step out. This man literally just bust my window out.
You good?
Yeah, I just cut my finger.
I didn't do anything. Nothing. I did absolutely nothing. Man. Listen, man. Listen.
Stop pulling away.
Stop.
I'm not resisting, man.
You're resisting right now, bro.
What the hell? What kind of shit is that? Man. For no damn reason. That's wild, man.
No, when you can't act like an adult, this is what happens.
I'm acting like an adult. What did I do?
You're not. You know what you did.
You got my money in your pocket.
We can get that sorted out when you get in the driveway. I got you. We'll take care of it. Get in the driveway.
Man, this is crazy.
What do you want me to give her?
Good grief. Man, literally.
I gotta ask him. Do you have any trucks and cocaine or anything like that?
You can give her,
Oh yeah, but I see it. You want the wallet to go with her too?
She's asking for money. You know what?
it's yeah, and my passport card is in there also.
Okay.
So you can give her.
You want all this cash for her then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just cut my hand.
We're gonna go outside.
Things too tight, man. My
I'll
stroke's
take
too wide.
I'll take a look at it. Okay. Let me just give her the cash. I'll come back and check on this. Okay.
Damn, man. Look.
Have a seat. Oh yeah.
Ah, shit.
Just take a look at his cost. I don't know if I pushed it for that.
Good job, guys. Hey, take that tag, put it in the
Okay.
Yeah, I think Kim might get one already, or we haven't worked on it. Hey, Kim, you get 81 already or no? Stall for an 81 yet?
I got it.
We got it. You cut or something like that? No. Cut? Oh, you got cut.
Yeah, I got cut. Break that out.
You good though?
Yeah.
You just... Look at who broke the window?
I did.
You did?
Yeah, he did. Republic of Palau.
You did what?
Republic of Palau. Yeah.